today I got this silly squishy package. What is in here? I do not remember ordering another squishy package. But look how big it is. I don't even know what's in there, but yeah, let's just get it open. I'm super excited because I do not know what it is. So yeah, just careful not to cut anything. I'll give you guys the first peek. So yeah, I'll look away. You guys can see. Okay. What the? Oh my god. What the heck? Look how it's wrapped and all that stuff. Here is the little like tag thing. Okay, let's give this go. There's a lot of air in it. Like, it's still rising. But all it is this. You can put it back on. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I'll look for extras left. And last time I did have a high chew extra. So I'm sorry I didn't show you that last time. Oh, it's the same flavor anyway. So it's green apple, high chew. But right now, like, oh my god, everything's like attached. That's cute. That's so soft. I cannot believe. Oh my god, look at the plate. And the bottom's white. It feels like so weird. I don't know how to explain it. Oh my god. It has these little strawberries on it. It reminds me of the Sammy Christmas cake. Okay, this feels like a legit marshmallow. So yeah, I'll open this high chew for you. So yeah, so this is green apple. They come with many varieties. This is what it looks like. It has the like flavor color in it. You don't. Sometimes it's really hard. I suck on it. So good. But this is like marshmallow. Oh, it's really soft. Jeez. And this is $15. $15 for this. That's actually a pretty good price. Squishies are crazy. Sorry about the background noise. If you can hear it. Oh my god, I just dropped the thing. Okay, I got it. And look at the bag, it's huge. Okay, guys. That's nonsense. I don't even know if it's... I don't think it's licensed. No. I don't know what it is, like, I have no idea who made this, but iGlue maybe? Iona Tokyo? I don't know. This is such an amazing squishy. My life is completed. And I don't know if any YouTubers have had it yet. So, yeah. I don't know. You guys can comment down below if any YouTuber has had it yet. You just put it on that stove. Amazing. Silly Squishies. Definitely go to their website. I'll leave it down below. And bye.